In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a quote using Xero's accounting software. This process is straightforward and can be completed in a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Xero login page. If you've not logged in yet, you'll need to do so to access the features we're going to work with today. Simply enter your email address and password, then click the login button, and you'll find yourself on your Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for all accounting activities and a great place to start working on a new quote. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the Business tab. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu that provides a list of options for managing various aspects of your business's finances. Among these, you'll notice Quotes, which is where we want to go next. Clicking on Quotes will take you to a dedicated area for managing all your quotes. Now, we're going to create a new quote. You'll see a prominent New Quote button, likely at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and this will open up a form that will allow you to start building your quote. The first piece of information you'll need to fill out is the customer's details. Inputting the right customer information is crucial because you want to ensure that the quote is correctly addressed. You can choose a customer from your existing contacts or create a new entry if needed. After selecting your customer, it's time to add the specifics of the items or services you're quoting for. Make sure to provide detailed information regarding each item, including the descriptions, quantities, and prices. This clarity helps avoid misunderstandings and makes your quote look more professional. With all the details in place, you're almost done. Take a moment to review your quote to ensure that every piece of information is accurate and presents your offer correctly. Once you're satisfied with the quote, you're ready to send it out. Click the send button and a new window will appear, giving you one last chance to confirm everything before sending. After hitting send, your quote will be dispatched to the customer. Xero allows you to track these transactions, giving you peace of mind knowing that your communication is organized and timely. This step not only completes the process but also begins the engagement with your customer, putting you a step closer to closing the deal. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to create and send quotes within Xero. Remember, being meticulous with customer details and product information can save you a lot of time and hassle later down the line. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy quoting!